What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable 120 Hz refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right to it. So 120 Hz refresh rate is the fastest refresh rate still currently out at the moment on smartphone devices. And I'm going to show you how you can either enable it or disable it in the event that you want to save battery and you don't want to use such a fast and smooth refresh rate. Although I personally like to keep it at 120 Hz refresh rate, but I'm going to show you how to enable or disable it. All you got to do is go over to settings. Okay, in settings, we're going to scroll down to display. And here in display, we're going to scroll down to motion smoothness. Okay, so as you can see, it's right here. So you have two options for motion smoothness. You have adaptive and you have standard. So adaptive is what it comes automatically enabled on the phone, and it is the 120 Hz refresh rate. Okay, so just make sure that adaptive is selected if you want that fast and smooth 120 Hz. However, if you don't need such high refresh rate and you want to save battery, you can go ahead and select standard, which is 60 Hz refresh rate, and it'll be a little bit slower and not as smooth, but it'll still be pretty smooth. Okay, refresh rate is the quickness of the sensitivity to your touch when you're scrolling around your phone. Okay, let's go ahead and put it back to 120 Hz. See if you could see a difference. Let's go back. And as you can see, it is a little slightly faster. Actually, it's actually 2 times faster because it's 60 Hz refresh rate, the standard, and 120 Hz refresh rate for the adaptive. Okay, let's go ahead and put it back to adaptive, apply. Yep, there we go. So that is how you can enable or disable 120 Hz refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Go ahead and destroy the like button if this video helped you, and comment down below and let me know. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. So that's all for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And as always, peace.